Hi, I'm Eric Linask with TMC. We're here at Cloud Expo in New York. I'm talking with Nathan Shinn from Billing Platform today. Nathan, good morning. Thanks for joining us.
Hi, good morning.
So, a lot of commentary this week I've already heard about increased adoption of the cloud. Are you seeing that as well?
Oh yeah, it's a much more simple, cost-effective way of doing business and running your operations by far, and that's what we're seeing. We used to see the trend in smaller companies, but more and more enterprise organizations are adopting the cloud with Salesforce automation as well as infrastructure and other types of applications like our billing application.
So, speaking of, how does your billing application play into the cloud?
Well, what we do is we offer, beyond just cloud, we're more platform oriented, which allows people who want to move their services in the cloud but are worried about limited functionality to get exactly what they need out of the service. So whether they sell hospital rental equipment or telecommunication services or VoIP services, satellite communications, it doesn't matter what they do because our platform will support it.
What are the challenges around billing in the cloud?
One of the primary challenges around billing in the cloud is finding a service provider who's flexible enough to handle exactly what you're trying to do. So what you're primarily focused on when you're billing your app, or one of the primary bottlenecks that you typically run into, is the support of your product and service offering, and in essence, the ability to devise rating structures, competitive rate plans, competitive product mixes, bundling, all of that type of thing that is not industry specific, which is typical of most billing systems and billing applications today that are on-prem solutions, is that they're either industry focused or they're really focused on a specific rating methodology in general. It doesn't work for everybody. We tend to get clients that at an enterprise level have very specific operational procedures, very specific billing and rating needs. They want to be competitive in their space. They're looking for a new solution. They don't want the risk associated with a full-blown implementation. And so they find that once they implement our product, it fits like a glove.
How does the growth of mobility and really the influx of an incredibly large number of mobile devices out there create additional complexity around billing?
Well, because at the end of the day, you've got complexity in device recognition, complexity in varieties of competitors in the space that offer different types of rating structures. You have to be nimble. You have to be able to adapt quickly. And with a legacy system, you're just not going to be able to do that. You're going to have to find something to tack on. As a matter of fact, we get larger providers coming to us because they have a different initiative that their existing systems just can't support, and they don't want to get involved in something that has the risks associated with full-blown software, consulting implementations. They want to go with something simple that they can get up and running fast and that does exactly what they needed to do.
How does the growth of self-service, there's a lot going around and increasing customer self-service, how does that impact it?
Right, customer self-service, it's just all in your ability to be flexible. So our application comes with a role-based model, which allows you to just take a segment of the application and define what you want to expose to your end customer so that they can log in and have that self-service. So they can see their invoices online, they can make payments online, they can view different details, reporting. However you want to structure that customer interaction, you're able to put that in place very quickly with our app, even if you want to integrate our app with your existing customer portal through our web services layer. Everything that you customize in our application is immediately available to web services dynamically. That's part of being platform and not just the convenience of the cloud.
What's the most important thing as far as bringing new services to market? Is it the ability to integrate the billing system?
The billing system is the bottleneck. So if you can't bill it and monetize it, then you can't offer it as a service offering. And if that takes too long to do, you miss out on the opportunity. So being able to move quickly, efficiently, inexpensively, all really kind of weighs into the cost benefit or even the feasibility of releasing a new product or a new bundle or a new competitive rate package.
So with all this billing information and product monetization information out there, should either end users or businesses providing those services be concerned that we now know for sure that the NSA is looking at some of the data up in the cloud?
Well, I'm not sure what that has to do with what we have. I mean, we've got a multi-tenant environment where your information is 100% yours, so it's 100% secure, and you have, outside of regulatory mandates, your data is all your own. So there's nothing to, really, it's as secure as it would have been if it were behind your firewall, possibly more so.
Excellent. Nathan, thanks so much for joining us. I'm Eric Linask with TMC. We're here at Cloud Expo. Be sure to follow all of our Cloud Expo coverage in the TMC Video Newsroom.